What if I told you that the most important question in all of science has no answer yet, and it might never have one? What was there before the Big Bang? Before space? Before time? Before anything? Most people assume scientists have figured this out. They haven't. For over 100 years, physicists have been staring into the deepest possible mystery, the absolute origin of everything. And the more they look, the stranger it gets. In this video, we are going to walk through 10 of the most mind-bending ideas that modern science and cosmology have produced. From quantum foam to cyclic universes to parallel realities, some of these ideas will feel like science fiction, but every single one of them is based on real physics. Buckle up. We are about to explore the edge of human knowledge. Let's start with one of the wildest ideas in modern physics: quantum foam. At the smallest possible scale, far smaller than an atom, smaller than a proton, space itself is not smooth. It bubbles, it churns, it flickers in and out of existence billions of times per second. Physicist John Wheeler first proposed this idea in the 1950s. He called it quantum foam, and it describes a reality where space and time lose all meaning at the Planck scale, a size of 10 to the power of -35 meters. At this level, tiny universes could be constantly popping in and out of existence. Some scientists believe our entire universe was once one of these tiny quantum fluctuations, a bubble that didn't collapse, but instead expanded into everything we know today. Nothing created something, literally. What if the Big Bang was not the beginning, but just a reset button? That is the core idea behind the cyclic universe theory, developed by physicists Paul Steinhardt and Neil Turok. In this model, our universe expands, cools down, and eventually collapses back on itself in what some call the Big Crunch. Then, the incredible energy released by that collapse triggers another Big Bang. A new universe is born. This cycle has been repeating forever, with no true starting point and no final end. Think of it like a cosmic heartbeat. Each beat is a universe lasting trillions of years. We are living inside one of those beats right now. This theory elegantly solves the problem of the beginning. If the universe is eternal and cyclic, you never have to answer what came before, because there is always a before. Now let's talk about one of the most controversial ideas in all of science: the multiverse. The theory of cosmic inflation, which describes how our universe expanded incredibly fast right after the Big Bang, has a strange side effect. In some versions of inflation, this rapid expansion never truly stops everywhere. Instead, different regions of space freeze out at different times, each one becoming its own separate universe. This is called eternal inflation, and it leads to a mind-boggling conclusion. There could be an infinite number of universes beyond our own, each with different physical laws, different constants, even different dimensions. We can never see them, we can never reach them, but mathematically they may exist. Our universe in this picture is just one lucky bubble, one of trillions, where the conditions happen to be just right for stars, planets, and life.